Construction sites are high-risk workplaces. Today, we will discuss three common hazards: falls, electrical hazards, struck by hazards, falls from height, unsafe scaffolding, unprotected edges, slippery surfaces, improper ladder use, how to prevent falls use, safety harnesses, inspect ladders and scaffolds, electrical hazards, exposed wires, damaged tools, wet conditions, contact with power lines, install guardrails, keep walking areas clean, electrical safety tips, inspect cables regularly, use insulated tools, keep water away from electricity, follow lockout/tagout procedures, struck by hazards, moving vehicles, falling objects, swinging equipment, flying materials, prevention measures, wear hard hats, stay alert around equipment, use barricades and warning signs, secure tools and materials, identify hazards early, follow safety procedures, report unsafe conditions, protect yourself and others.